Test alert. Test alert.
Take the pledge at UnitedWay.org. Brought to you by United Way, the Ad Council, and the National Football League.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
Like the 13 flags of the American flag presented to a family of a fallen service member or first responder, the $13 monthly pledge tells the families they're not forgotten. Go to our website, westernpa.calltowater.org.
This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Got Grant?
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
The hell is that?
This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Why did you not go off?
Station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test. Alert system. Is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Update. Yes. I was going to make an update video about this, but I just haven't been able to. I now have a gray button ER200. So this means my black button ER200 is going to Montgomery County EAS if he wants it, because he was the first person to say he will take it. So there's an update for you guys, and yeah, we'll stay tuned for KDKA AM.
To achieve lasting solutions, volunteer, donate, or receive food assistance today at PittsburghFoodBank.org.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
FM frequency is so early compared to this.
This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Morty, I have seen so much angst.
No WHC relays. And as per usual, I was joined by
RCT32165.
It's Shaggy AS.
Anyways, your name is...
Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
No wonder you said your name second. Anyways.
Yes.
as per KDKA test normally, but also something sucked about what we found out today. I'm turning this down because of copyright. Look at that. There is no EA alert on WBZZ anymore. Yep, that explains why both of these two didn't activate. And I'm going to upload this video sooner than my massive EAS compilation I plan to release this week. Hopefully, my phone won't screw it up, because this is going to be my largest compilation I've ever uploaded. But then, I also got it on my new ER200, which I love the gray buttons on it. So, yeah. Basically, with that being said, that'll pretty much wrap it up for this video. I know I had something else I was about to say, but I totally forgot. it'll come back to me, maybe. But yeah, with that being said, I'll pretty much wrap it up. Please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys next time.